we did it! Hello everybody, welcome back to the course challenge on Khan Academy of the early math review. Let's get started. 10 animals escaped from the zoo. 3 of them were monkeys and the rest were zebras. What choice can be used to find how many zebras escaped from the zoo? Choose one answer. A, 10 plus 3, B, 10 minus 3. If there were 10 animals that escaped and 3 of them were monkeys, you can't do 0 minus 3, so 0, 10, 7, 7, and then there's 0, so answer is 7. So, and 10 plus 3 equals 13, but 10 minus 3 equals 7. Which pencil measures 4 centimeters? A measures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's not A. B measures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's not B. C measures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not C. And D measures 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is D. Is this rectangle divided into halves? Well, if it's cut in half, then there is one line, and there are two, it's cut in half, and both shapes are the same size. Well, this part is clearly smaller than this part, so this rectangle is not divided in halves. Which are the same number as the number 14? Choose all answers that apply. A. 110 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. B. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. C. 110 plus 4 ones. D. 110 plus 4 tens. Okay. A says 110 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 110 plus 4, or 10 plus 4 is 14. So the answer is A. So get B. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Okay, let's look at C. 110 plus 4 ones equals 14. So the answer is also C. And then D is 110 plus 4 tens, which equals 50, not 14. How tall is this castle? You can measure the castle with small squares. Which picture shows how you measure the castle? A. 2 blocks. There should be no overlapping or gaps, so it's not A. B. It should measure the whole thing clearly, but this one goes below, so it's not B. And C measures it clearly, so the answer is C, because it starts from the beginning and ends at the top. So the castle is 1, 2, 3, 4 squares tall. Yay, we did it! Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click the bell to get more new videos. Bye, we'll see you on the next episode.